What's up, guys? Today we are finishing the job that we started and didn't finish. Part 2, attempt 2.
We're at my house, so we have a few more tools.
All the tools, yeah.
So yeah, we're gonna do that now.
Easy peasy.
Should be easy and quick.
Look how sick this is.
He's so pretty.
Beautiful.
I need to get spacers.
I love those wheels too.
Yeah, but he needs spacers so he fits nicer.
First, we're gonna jack up the car and take the wheel off.
Again.
Man, I'm scared because it's not my car. You do it. Oh, wow.
Oh, there we go. Teamwork.
Holy shit.
Now, I'm really mad.
Oh, shit. Can you do it to step on it?
There you go. Oh, cracked it.
Still not.
I think it is now, yeah?
No. Oh, it's lifting like slightly. Yeah, it's like a centimeter off.
It's off.
I love seeing videos of people build 3-piece
Oh my god,
wheels.
same. I love. Okay.
But it seems like a lot of effort. Look how many bolts there are.
Imagine undoing every single one of them. I know it's just under the exhaust, but look, it's better than nothing. Already. This is better than nothing. You're gonna give us shit for the jack stand, but I don't care. I don't care anymore.
We do not care.
Okay, you ready? Do you remember how to work?
Remember I remember those 2 flipping bolts.
Let's see.
They were 17s.
Are they?
Yeah.
Oh, thanks. She's so smart.
Memory.
Wow, it's gonna be quick. Okay, I'm gonna go get some wire for us to hang.
Yeah, I can show. Girl.
I think we were on the other side, but
yeah,
we need to pull
your way. You need to pull, and I'm push.
No, I suppose that way, because they're nuts.
Oh, no, up to you. You know I don't know these things. Just careful your fingies. Yeah, it's moving.
Easy. All right, again. Oh, again. Yeah, cool. We're doing these. See this? That's the caliper bracket bolt, and there's one on the bottom. And then the caliper will come straight off, and then we can hang it. It's already hung. I've already like mounted it. And then we actually should have the screw for this. Look at this. She's so cool. You're professional.
Professional.
Okay.
Do you get the other one out?
No, I'm gonna try thread something into the rotor this time, once you get that off.
Yeah.
So I actually have nuts this time. A bolt, sorry. Oh my god, is that the... No, smaller than this. Imagine I don't have one. Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
So that's what you want, and then it will release the, oh, except I don't really want one with a head like that, because I can't put a breaker on it. So let's see if I have another one.
Okay, I can take the calipers off now.
Yeah. Oh, just make sure it holds on there.
Yeah, I'm not letting go of it. Don't worry, girl, I know. You're so scared of these lines.
I don't want my lines to break. Oh. So, what we didn't have last time was these bolts to thread in, which releases the rust on the rotor. So we're gonna just tighten it till it cracks it. And hopefully it will release. We should probably be doing them at the same time. Wait, I'll get you a ratchet.
I can use the spanner.
It's okay, I'll get you a ratchet. Here you go.
Thanks, girly pie.
Make sure it's on tightening.
Yep. Is that loosening or tightening?
Crystal.
Oh, they told me.
Crystal. Every fucking day.
My disappointment is immeasurable.
Oh no. Alright.
Is she silly?
Yes, I am.
Look at this, teamwork, and I don't have a ratchet on me. So it should release the rust. If you hear it cracking, there's a cracking. Uh-oh. Really?
Wait, let me try. Oh shit!
I know I did that.
That scared me.
I know I did that.
Are you gonna release?
Yeah, look, it is moving a bit. I think what we need to do is release the handbrake.
Oh wait.
Yeah, you see, I think I need to turn. Yeah, there you go. Oh, probably because the handbrake was up, it was obviously holding the rotor in as well.
Sick.
Let me just explain it. Last time, we did release the handbrake, and it still didn't come off because of this rust. So this, you can see there, see? So as you can see, we put those bolts in and it actually released the rust that held them together. And then if you show me the back of here, yeah, it came, oh sorry, it came through those holes. Wow, these are really scored. These are so bad. You feel it?
Yay.
That's not good, Crystal.
No routers for the Z?
Yeah. How the fuck are we gonna get this bitch? Oh yeah, wait. Got a stud. We just gotta see, this is my only scare, is how the hell are we gonna actually, I don't wanna do under the handbrake.
What the heck? What's this plate?
It's just the hub. Oh, there you go. So you put them in like this, through this hole. Oh shit, I don't even know if I can. I guess we can only try. I don't wanna do a part 3.
Oh God.
You need to have enough room behind to obviously get it back in this hole. The thing is, it's not like we're using it now, so if you hammer it out, it's out. But I don't know if I'd be able to fit this anywhere so that I can fit it back in. Well, we can hammer it out because it already doesn't work.
Does this hub move?
This part does, yes.
Yes, so can we angle it to get it?
Yeah, that's on. Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, you got it.
It's not working. How did I do it last time?
Part 3. No.
Oh shit, man.
It's really busted.
You can see how hard I'm hitting it.
Yeah,
I
you're
literally
flattening
flattened it. I don't think I busted it a single bit. I don't think I loosened it at all.
Should I ask my brother?
We need a man. We need a man. Go ask him.
Okay. Oh. Crystal! What?
The real jack point.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh!
Oh!
Wow! Beautiful!
What the hell? Thank you.
Thank you.
Why was that so easy?
I totally loosened that
Yeah.
one for you. Yeah.
You want to use a smaller screwdriver? Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, good job. Be fat in the end.
Yeah.
Oh.
I have a brain, guys.
Oh. She's so smart. Why does this look used?
Because we just dirtied it.
Are you guys ready? I don't know. See, my scare is that we can't angle it enough to actually get it in. Do you want to give it a go? I would take the camera, but my hands are disgusting. Our issue is that we don't have enough room behind to get it back in angled correctly. And we're a bit worried.
What?
Oh, I got it.
Okay.
I got it.
Oh shit! How did you do that?
I just wiggled him around.
Oh my god.
All right, guys. So what you do is you thread it on. Oh, remember how we put a bunch of spacers on?
Yeah.
And then you just tighten it till it gets really tight.
Yeah.
Okay, so where's our bolt? Remember how we had to find so many? Okay. Oh, can you help me lift it? Oh, it's heavy. Okay, guys, we're gonna find nuts to thread on, so then when we put this on, it won't bottom out, because obviously it's short. And then you just tighten it until it gets tight.
Let's find a bunch of flat stuff.
Oh, there you go.
I found one.
Hang on. I added like a mill.
Hey!
Look at us. Okay. Now remember, one of us has to hold, and the other,
I can pull.
yeah.
Oos.
All right. So, do you want to maybe ratchet? Should we ratchet
Yeah,
first,
I think
maybe?
so.
Oh no, it's getting pretty hard
Yeah,
though.
it's getting pretty hard. Oos. I'll just take it
Oos.
out.
Yeah.
Oos.
So we want to get it in. So yeah, it's got a while to go. Remember? I remember we were like fighting each other.
No, I was like lifting you up.
Oh. All right. Well, I'll be done soon. Oh my god! You lifted me.
Oh.
Okay,
Check it. Okay, that's pretty good, NGL.
So, we've done that. It's tight, it's perfect. Our next step is we gotta actually take this off.
Yes.
Which will be hard. And then, it's all done. We are so smart.
I know.
What we could do is we could put lube on there.
So it doesn't happen again.
But you know what?
Fuck it.
Fuck it. I don't feel like it. You know whose problem that is gonna be? Probably ours. In the
Yeah,
future when we
probably
take it off again.
ours when we work on this car again.
Yeah. Good job, Crystal.
One
I'll
on
do the bottom one.
on the top. Mine's going in.
Not stripping.
Nope. See how loosey-goosey it is?
Yeah. What if you pull it out? Mine did the same thing. I thought mine was in it.
Just spinning in circles.
I bet it's not even fucking in the hole.
Look at my Civic. Look at my Civic.
It's just.
Oh.
Whoa! Just made them dizzy, bro. Oh, they're so pretty.
So cute.
Oh. Okay, time. Bro, we are so good at this game.
We are so sweet. Okay, let's put this bitch back together.
Yeah.
Wow.
It wasn't me. It was my dad, and he denied it. Dad, if you're watching this,
We
it
know
wasn't
was
you.
you,
Yeah, but
kid.
you know, don't fucking lie to me, Hope.
Skinny.
Just looked at your whole butt. Handbrake that hoe up. Oh, thanks.
Done.
Did you guys hear it? It's misfiring.
Oh.
How are we gonna fix it? Oh yeah. It's maybe spark plugs or. Sorry, I'm trying to make eye contact with you. Maybe a spark plug or leads or anything.
Yeah.
So
Well, if we can change the spark plugs and try that first.
well, what I'll do is I'll try to diagnose it.
Yeah.
And then we can just fix it
yeah.
if you want.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
But the thing is that it's only misfiring sometimes. So when I drove it a few days ago to the national park, it stopped misfiring randomly.
Maybe it's a cold start thing.
Yeah, so I'm thinking maybe something's cold.
Yeah.
Cool guy.
Okay.
Well, let us know, guys, if you have any ideas.
Hold on, I'm just really tired. I need to wash my hands. All right, thanks guys for watching. That was not that hard, but we got a bit dirty. I don't have a lug nut.
It's no different.
It's no different, but at least if I want to put a lug nut on,
You will put a lug nut on.
I will. When I buy one. For my car, that's not mine. It's fine. But that was harder. Like, it's hard, but we got it.
Yeah, we did it.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
The scariest part was not being able to fit the stud
Yeah.
from the outside, but you did it somehow.
Professional.
Yeah, we're
Yeah,
pretty professional.
Good job. Thanks for watching.
All right.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, guys, and thank you to our members, Erwin, Bence, Subi Julie, Alex, and Hey Hoko. Thanks. We love you guys.
Bye.
Bye.